Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to get your up-to-date cryptocurrency analysis. The second that I've done it, I post it to YouTube. And in today's video, well, the price of Bitcoin down at $41,000. When I say down, it's not really down, is it? Like, Bitcoin is doing pretty well right now. However, I've just opened a new trade and I want to show you exactly what I've just done. So let's start off with that, shall we? So I've just gone $1.2 million long on Bitcoin using 64x leverage because it just bottomed out. Like, for me, this is a pretty basic move. And I want to show you exactly why I've done this and why. I mean, all of my positions are currently in profit. The only one that's not in, I mean, even this one where I took a small loss on it last night because I wanted to sleep well, that one's even still in profit overall. So everything overall for me is going quite well right now when we're having a huge amount of accuracy in the way that we're conducting our analysis, essentially. So I'm expecting that is a sign of form, essentially. Traders go through form. Sometimes you're in good form, sometimes you're in bad form. Currently, I'm in good form. So let's go over to the Bitcoin analysis for the day. This is Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart. The reason why I just went long is because we just tapped this level of support right here. And at that level, I'm like, well, my position is pretty much at break even anyway. I'm going to quadruple the size of it. So I've quadrupled the size of my position in expectation that we bounced. We have now bounced. And what am I expecting from here? Well, this is where things get really, really interesting because I don't feel like Bitcoin is in a bearish situation at all. And this is only the 1 minute chart. However, if we go to something like the 1 hour chart right now, and we look at the way the indicators are performing, we can see from here, you're still bullish on your RSI, your MACD. We actually have a bullish divergence forming here. It's a hidden bullish divergence because you're making a lower here, whereas you're making a higher here. So it's a hidden bullish divergence. But at the same time as that, we're forming also an inverse head and shoulders down here. This inverse head and shoulders could point back towards the upside as well. At the same time as that, we've got test. Everything to me is looking bullish. We're in this downwards channel like this. The downwards channel in itself is bullish. Like, this is a bullish pattern. So everything in this market right now is screaming buy, which is why I've gone long on Bitcoin. And as it is right now, look, we've made $6,500 throughout the course of this video. It's been absolutely fantastic. What am I expecting from here with regards to my other positions, not just Bitcoin, but like, seriously, what are we expecting from this market? So let's go back over to Bitcoin and show you the levels at which you can go long and short. The level at which I would be longing Bitcoin from this stage right here, I mean, I've just longed support. I would be looking for a break of support. And this is the 1 hour chart. And I would suggest that patience, for those of you that are not in a trade, like, patience is honestly always the best way to go about things. If you don't rush into something, the odds of you making a profit are much higher than if you do rush into something. So don't rush your trades. Plan your trades ahead of time and wait for support and resistance levels to break. It's very important that you wait for the break. Otherwise, you might go long or short beforehand and then end up being completely on the wrong side of the trade. And that's not what you want. So what we're looking for on the charts right now is a break of these resistance levels here or this support level here. A break of this support level here would be a break of $41,000. A break of $41,000 would likely yield, if I draw it on the chart for you right here. Oh, no, we don't want to be drawing like that. If we draw it on the chart for you right here, a break of $41,000 would likely yield some kind of formation where Bitcoin's price kind of does that, essentially, and it continues out in this pattern. So that wouldn't be very nice. And that level where we would drop to then would be around $40,000. So it'd be around a $1,000 drop if we broke through 41, because there really isn't a whole lot of support in this range right here. The more likely scenario that I'm favoring right now would be that we've now tested this level of support. We now loop back around. We break this level of resistance. This level of resistance is currently sitting at around $41,500. And a break of $41,500 would likely yield a pump to the upside. And a pump to the upside on Bitcoin's price right now to these levels right here would mean that we'd have a take profit level of somewhere around $42,000. That's what we're looking at right now. We're kind of playing in this $1,000 range. But overall, like, I'm pretty happy with this. I think I've timed it really, really well, honestly. We're now $7.5 in profit on just this one trade. We have a bunch of trades open. Like, it's going crazily well right now. So if you are interested in joining the crew, joining the story, and joining the channel, subscribe. But also, if you are interested in trading, the best place to trade is on bybit or PRIMEXBT, both of which you'll find links in today's video description. Bybit has got a 3.5% deposit bonus right now, so that's up to $3,500 that you can get for free. And at the same time, PRIMEXBT has got a $7,000 bonus right now. That's up to 7% that you get for free when you make your first deposit using code TMG before you deposit. So on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Madness. You know, I'm 25. This is crazy. Either way, subscribe and join the channel. Like, I'm on fire right now. So yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be later today. Peace.